fun!
AirPatrol Wi-Fi US. You can set your AC to run on a set schedule, or even make it switch on as soon as you're on the way home. Never again find your home too hot or cold when you return. AirPatrol can turn off your AC when your desired temperature is reached, or as soon as you leave the house. It'll save you money on your bills and could end up paying for itself in as little as 18 months. It's easy to set up the controller as it's already pre-programmed. In case you have any questions, our dedicated support team is happy to help via 24/7 chat, email or call us at 1650-772-4445. Tado AC01TC US 03 works with Alexa for voice control, connects your smartphone to your air conditioner or heat pump and turns it into a smart device. Experience a new level of comfort with automatic location-based AC control. Control your AC from anywhere with the Tado Degrees app, turn it on and off or change the settings in the app from anywhere, at any time. Sensibo Sky 01. Turn your existing air conditioner or your mini-split, ductless, heat pump system into a smart AC, reducing your cooling bills by up to 40%. The smartphone app allows you to take any remote-controlled AC unit and have it maintain a comfortable home temperature from anywhere. This lightweight unit is only 3.2 x 2.2 x 0.8, is wall-mounted and comes in eco-friendly packaging. Geofencing activates your air conditioner or any remote-controlled AC unit before you arrive and turns off when everyone leaves. Atomi Smart, control your AC's power, temperature, mode, and fan speed from your phone anytime, anywhere. Set schedules, turn it on and off automatically, and much more. Instantly upgrade your window air conditioner to be tech-savvy. The Smart AC controller enables you to manage your air conditioner using Wi-Fi and infrared signals sent to your iOS or Android smartphone via the Atomi Smart app. Use with your Alexa device or Google Assistant by giving simple voice commands. Ambi Climate ACM1 US. Look after your home by adjusting and monitoring your AC or heat pump from anywhere. The free Ambi Climate app gives you complete control, which saves you time and money. Ambi Climate Mini works with most remote-controlled air conditioners or heat pumps. It does not require any professional installation, it is just plug and play. Seamlessly integrate AC or heat pump control into your smart home. Ambi Climate Mini can be voice-controlled through most smart home assistants, including Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Siri.